Assalamualaikum. Today's my title is Why China is Growing Faster Than Most Countries. This is my topic today. When the world talks about superpowers, one name consistently rises above the noise. China is just a few decades. China has transformed from a struggling economy to a global powerhouse. My dear, but why is China growing so fast? What is its secret? Today we will discuss about this topic. That's very important topic. Number one, focus on economic growth, not endless wars. Not endless wars, my dear. While money powerful nations have spent billions on wars, conflicts, and military interventions, China has largely avoided direct military entanglements since the late 20th century. It didn't involve itself in costly, prolonged wars in the Middle East of Africa. My dear, instead it invested in infrastructure, industry, and technology, while others but built military bases. China built factories, roads, ports, and digital networks. That is the secret of China. Number two, the manufacturing gate of the world. China understood that manufacturing is the backbone of any strong economy. It becomes the world's factory, my dear, producing everything from electronics to clothing. My dear, this created millions of jobs and lifted millions out of poverty. Companies like Apple, Samsung, and Tesla rely on Chinese factories to build their products. My dear, the next is third, technology and innovations. China didn't just stop at manufacturing. My dear, it leapfrogged into cutting-edge technology. Companies like Huawei, Tencent, Baidu, and Alibaba are not just copying Western technology, they are innovating. China leads in 5G, artificial intelligence, green energy, and electric vehicles. It also leading the race for quantum computing and space exploration. That is the nowadays backbone of economy of any country. Number four, infrastructure mega projects. China invests heavily in infrastructure. The Belt and Road Initiative is a 1 trillion project connecting Asia, Europe, and Africa. China has built world-class highways, high-speed rail networks, and massive ports. It understands that a strong infrastructure is the backbone of a strong economy. My dear, number fifth is a long-term vision. Chinese leaders think in decades, not election cycles. Their economic plans stretch into 2050 and beyond. They prioritize economic stability, education, and innovation over short-term political gains. Number six, my dear, population, power, and discipline. With a population of over 1.4 billion, China has a massive domestic market. Its people are known for their work ethic, discipline, discipline and resilience. No one have such discipline and resilience if we compare with other countries. Number 7, strategic diplomacy and trade. Instead of focusing on military conquests, China uses economic diplomacy. It builds trade alliances and provides loans to developing countries, creating long-term economic partnerships. My dear, conclusion is a different kind of superpower. China's rapid growth is not accidental. It avoided costly wars, focused on innovations, build world-class infrastructure, and prioritized long-term planning over short-term politics. Politics, my dear. In a world distracted by conflicts, China quietly and consistently built its empire, not with bullets but with businesses. Not with bullets but with businesses. World, take care.